Hi family, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I'm excited because I want to make pancakes, yes, and the best part is that I'm going to be making the box pancakes from BONI selection. So I want to try these pancake mix and see how it is. Does it cook nicely? Is it easy as compared to making crepes from scratch? Let's find out together. Welcome to my kitchen and let's do this. In case it's your first time here, welcome to the channel. My name is Ruth and please consider subscribing if you love the content. Let's get right into the cooking. From the package, it says it gives you 15 plus or minus tax over pancakes. This depends with how you like to make yours, and these are crepes here, which I love, and these are the instructions. They are in Netherlands, French, and Dutch. For this package, it specifically insists on us using milk, and then on the presentation it shows that you can serve your pancakes with some jam. So let's do that. Yeah, the pack says for this one pack you use 900 ml milk, so we are going to use half of it, yeah, and then add half the milk. So let's do that. For the milk, I'm going to be using this milk. So let's go right ahead and do it. This is the package. Nice. And yeah, here is the chef. I'm also doing some Christmas decoration. Not sure where everything goes, but yeah, for now that is what we have. So for my flour, I'm gonna put this one here. So let's measure. This I'm gonna assume is a glass, which these are 2 glasses of this. I hope the pancakes do not disappoint. So this much is the flour I'm going to use from this pack for my pancakes. So here we go. That's our flour. Let's have the batch. Pack this and put it away for now. So for our milk, I'm gonna also put that. How I will be measuring my milk is by adding into the mixture and seeing how I want the consistency to be. So you can start mixing. So far this is the consistency. So we're gonna add a little bit of milk. I'm using room temperature milk. This is the consistency. So what you see, this is the butter. Oops, but we can add a little bit more milk. I like my mixture to be light. Perfect. Now let's get ready to cook our pancakes. And that's the pan we are cooking with. I'm gonna reduce it a little bit. So yeah, let's get ready. My pan is heating up. I'm using the biggest round. Maybe I make 3 pancakes. Let's see how that goes. Let's put the first one. I'm going to scoop like this. It's bubbling nicely. My heat is on low heat. Let's see. I like it to bubble completely before I turn it, so we're gonna wait for that. First one, I think it's ready. I'm gonna remove it and then we do the other one. With the other one I will do butter and then we see how it comes out, okay? So this one is ready. A bit of cooking butter. Let's see how that goes. Put all of it. Let's turn it. Let's do it. I think they are becoming nicer as we continue. This looks much better. Second one is ready. So let's take this out. We want to move it and see. This is the tiebreaker. This is the tiebreaker. Nice. You can go ahead and turn it. This is how it looks. Can add a little bit butter on it. Tiebreaker. It is looking good. Let's see the other side. This is the other side. Cooked so good. I'm happy with it and it smells delicious. You're gonna test them out. Let's do a big one. I'm gonna do how I do them in Kenya. This is the last one, cooked nicely. If you want it more brown, you can let it stay in the pan a little bit more or add the heat. So far this is satisfying for me. Let's see the other side and then remove them for a taste test. Already dark outside and it's not even that late. It's actually 4:32 and it's so late. So anyway, let's taste our pancake. I'm still here. I'm excited. Let me come back with one and let's taste. My pancakes are ready and yeah, let's call them crepes or pancakes, but for me these are crepes. They are ready. They have browned nicely and we're gonna have a taste test. So let's do that. Love them. They smell delicious. This is how they look. First one, second one. Third one. So super nice, as you can see. Nice. Because it's for a video, we're gonna do it professionally. Not bad, not bad. They say you can add sugar on top, but also you can do it when you're cooking them, whichever you choose, because they are not bad, but I would add more sugar on them. Of course, they say you can sprinkle sugar on top, which is nice. If you like them not so sugary, Very easy. Would I buy this again? 100%, because it's so easy and you can just add sugar on them and enjoy pancakes. Easy peasy. Approved. I love them. So yeah, they say you can add sugar, brown sugar on top, and you can also add a bit of jam on them to make them sweeter, which is perfect. So approved. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Toodles, bye bye.